If you want to remove a bookmark on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it in just a few seconds. Whether you bookmarked a post by mistake or you just want to clean up your saved posts, removing it is simple once you know where to look. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Now let's get into it. First, open x.com or the X app and make sure you're signed into your account. On the left-hand navigation menu, click the Bookmarks tab. This is where all of your saved posts are stored in one place, so you can quickly review anything you've bookmarked before. Once the Bookmarks page opens, scroll through your saved posts and locate the one you want to remove. If you have a lot of bookmarks, take your time and find the exact post you want to delete from your saved list. After you've found it, look for the bookmark icon on the post. This icon usually shows that the post is currently saved. To remove it from your bookmarks, simply click the bookmark icon again. As soon as you do that, the post will be removed from your bookmarks list. You may notice it disappears right away, which confirms the action worked. If you want to remove more bookmarks, just repeat the same process for each post. Open Bookmarks, find the post, and click the bookmark icon to unsave it. It's a very easy way to keep your saved posts organized and clear out anything you no longer need. And that's it. You now know how to remove a bookmark on x.com or Twitter. If this tutorial helped you out, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple how-to guide.